We're a leading UK broker. We were formed back in 2017 out of Autonet, grown through acquisition, and now have more than about 20 brands, including sub-brands, 2,500 colleagues, and about 2.5 million customers.
We had a requirement to evolve our workforce management capabilities. They've probably been there for 10, 15, 20 years, and we just needed to move it on to the next kind of level, really.
The other big thing is the target operating model. So my job is to continually build that operating model and plug in new capabilities so that we are able to acquire more businesses, attach them into the group infrastructure, and ActiveOps plays a big role in that. So the first thing we'll be looking for is ability to deliver on service levels and performance overall, quality, and ensure that we get the right kind of standard maintained. The second critical success factor is for our people, and the third would be for the business. It's not just about having a system, it's actually about having a method and a way of deploying and also a training program, and ActiveOps provided that for us.
We set ourselves originally a target of increasing the productivity by at least 12%, which we successfully achieved. In addition to that, we were able to build robust capacity plans, which has in turn then aided us to better manage our operational costs. It's given us much more confidence and comfort to be able to forecast well in advance. Engagement's improved.
We've seen a professionalisation of our back office admin teams, which has been great to see the maturity grow, the enthusiasm grow, and the visibility grow. The results are there, they're very clear, they are measurable, and that's key for me. The engagement scores have improved, and we've seen an awful lot of positivity around the way the workload's being distributed. We've seen double-digit percentage improvements in productivity, enabling us to do more with less and allow the business to expand.
ActiveOps has also created extra capacity, which has enabled us to multi-skill more of our colleagues. As a result of that, we've been able to integrate other brands into the wider Atlanta business.
We've got a way of doing things that allows us to operate in a consistent fashion. That means people can work in different parts of our back office admin areas, and they've got the same method, the same way of working. We have flexibility, we have clarity, we have the ability to plan better. Simplify as much as you possibly can. Bring together your processes, bring together your platform in a standardised fashion. Once you've done that, what you get is flexibility. So the ability to deploy your resources where they're needed, when they're needed, to support different customers, different points in time.
If you layer that with ActiveOps and the proven methodology on top of that, I think it's a perfect recipe between the two.
Seeing this come to life within Atlanta, and I know it's been deployed successfully in many other organisations I've worked for in the past, has been fantastic. The adoption and the adherence from colleagues and leaders throughout the business, it was completely on point. That's been the great success story of our deployment of ActiveOps in Atlanta.
If we didn't have ActiveOps today, I think we would have increased workload from a team leader and manager perspective. My confidence levels in our ability to be able to forecast and then feed into our overall operational budget plans would be completely diminished.